Hey folks! Let's dive into the Supreme Court's upcoming review of President Trump's controversial executive order targeting birthright citizenship. This could be a game changer, and here's why you should care. First, some context. On January 20th, 2025, President Trump issued an executive order to end birthright citizenship for children born in the U.S. to parents who are either undocumented or on temporary visas. This order specifically targets babies born after February 19, 2025. The legal foundation for this order challenges the interpretation of the 14th Amendment's Citizenship Clause. Trump argues that the phrase "subject to the jurisdiction thereof" does not apply to the children of undocumented immigrants or those on temporary visas. As you might expect, this order didn't go uncontested. 3 federal district courts quickly issued nationwide injunctions blocking the order, calling it unconstitutional. The Trump administration, unsurprisingly, appealed these rulings. Their argument? The injunctions should be limited in scope. So, what's happening next? On May 15, 2025, the Supreme Court will hear oral arguments about the scope of these injunctions, not the constitutionality of the order itself just yet. This is the first time the Supreme Court is tackling a Trump initiative in his second term. Now let's dig a bit deeper. The 14th Amendment, ratified in 1868, was specifically intended to grant citizenship to formerly enslaved people and their children. The Supreme Court case in 1898 affirmed birthright citizenship for children born in the U.S. to immigrant parents. This principle was further codified in the 1952 Immigration and Nationality Act. If Trump's order is upheld, it could have massive implications. We're talking about creating a class of individuals without citizenship rights. This affects access to public benefits like healthcare and education, and potentially even the right to vote. Hundreds of thousands of children could be rendered stateless, denied basic rights and privileges. The Supreme Court is currently deeply divided, and this division spills over into their rulings, public appearances, and writings. Chief Justice Roberts often finds himself trying to broker compromises. Justices Alito and Jackson have been notably critical of each other, while Kavanaugh tends to write concurring opinions aiming to bridge the gap. Sometimes Barrett even sides with the liberal justices on procedural grounds. This case will also address the contentious issue of nationwide injunctions and their impact on presidential powers. The court's decision on this procedural matter could set significant precedents for future challenges to executive actions. Public perception is another factor to consider. The increasing fragmentation of the court risks undermining its perceived impartiality and its crucial role in upholding the rule of law. So what do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on this critical issue. Until next time, stay informed.